What is a high-conflict divorce in Illinois? Divorce can be stressful, but some cases become especially difficult when conflict never seems to stop. A high-conflict divorce in Illinois happens when spouses cannot communicate or cooperate throughout the divorce process. These cases involve persistent hostility, emotional tension, and repeated disputes over money or parenting. Illinois courts recognize that while disagreement is normal, extreme conflict requires structured legal intervention. Under Illinois law, divorce follows a no-fault system based on irreconcilable differences. Judges do not require proof of wrongdoing to grant a divorce. This means the court generally does not punish a spouse for bad behavior when dividing property or awarding maintenance. Marital misconduct is usually excluded from financial decisions unless one spouse wasted marital assets. Domestic violence or substance abuse can still affect parenting decisions because child safety is a priority. A high-conflict divorce often includes patterns of hostility that go beyond ordinary disagreements. One spouse may refuse to compromise, manipulate situations, or intentionally escalate disputes. Excessive angry messages, threats, or controlling behavior commonly appear in these cases. Parents may argue constantly about custody or involve children in adult conflicts. Financial misconduct can also drive conflict when one spouse hides assets or accumulates debt. Illinois courts handle most high-conflict cases through the Domestic Relations Division. Judges in these courts are experienced with emotionally charged disputes and uncooperative parties. They rely on structured procedures to move cases forward when negotiation fails. If you are asking whether Illinois recognizes high-conflict divorce, the answer is yes. The law does not label it formally, but courts clearly address cases involving extreme conflict differently. Substance abuse and mental health issues often increase hostility during divorce. Unpredictable behavior makes cooperation nearly impossible and raises concerns about parenting ability. Infidelity can also intensify emotions even though it is not legally relevant to ending the marriage. Financial dissipation occurs when marital funds are wasted for purposes unrelated to the marriage. Judges can compensate the innocent spouse when this behavior is proven. Domestic violence creates immediate safety risks and may require emergency court orders. Illinois courts can restrict contact or parenting time to protect victims and children. When parenting disputes arise, courts focus on the best interests of the child. Judges evaluate each parent's ability to support a healthy relationship with the other parent. High-conflict cases may require court-created parenting plans when parents cannot agree. The court may order mediation or parent education programs to reduce ongoing disputes. In serious situations, a guardian ad litem or child representative may be appointed. Some parents are ordered to follow supervised parenting time when safety is a concern. High-conflict divorces can sometimes be resolved through mediation. Shuttle mediation allows spouses to remain separated while proposals are exchanged. When cooperation is impossible, litigation becomes necessary to resolve disputes. An attorney files motions, gathers evidence, and presents arguments to the judge. The court then issues final orders on property, maintenance, and parenting issues. Children are often the most affected by ongoing parental conflict. Constant arguing or using children as messengers can cause emotional harm. Illinois courts attempt to limit children's exposure to hostility whenever possible. Parallel parenting arrangements may be ordered to reduce direct communication. Courts also pay close attention to which parent encourages a positive relationship. A lawyer plays an important role in managing a high-conflict divorce. An attorney protects your rights when your spouse refuses to cooperate or follows bad faith tactics. A lawyer can request emergency court action to prevent harm or financial loss. Without legal guidance, mistakes can seriously damage your case. Caesar and Bender, LLP helps clients navigate high-conflict divorce cases in Chicago. Their law firm represents individuals facing intense disputes over parenting and finances. You can contact Caesar and Bender, LLP at 150 North Michigan Avenue number 2130, Chicago, Illinois, 60601. Call 312-236-1500 to speak with an attorney about your situation.